Hello dear students, today I will discuss about Poisson distribution. Just in the previous class we have completed the binomial distribution, discrete probability distribution. There are two discrete probability distribution, binomial probability distribution, Poisson distribution, and continuous probability distribution is normal distribution. Okay, so binomial distribution is completed. Now binomial distribution, we know what if x is a variate binomially distributed with n and p. This is binomial distribution. We know if a random variable x is a variate, this symbol for this is a variate binomially distributed with parameters n and p, where n and p are there, is well meaning. Okay, probability of success. Okay, so we also write like this: b r n p. In a trial of n trials, set of n trials, where first n trials means number of trials n, p probability of success, and r number of success. So b r n p, that means binomial variant, binomially distributed. X is binomially distributed, then it's denoted like this: b x is a variate which is binomially distributed. Okay, its probability is given by, that is probability of r success is given by, we know formula what? N C R P or R Q or N minus R, where Q equals to 1 minus P. This is our binomial distribution. Okay, discrete probability distribution. This is the probability of success, R success. Okay, variate and probability distribution. This is called binomial distribution. Okay, now we will discuss about Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is also a discrete probability distribution, but its probability for R success is given by different formula. Okay, here whenever we try to yes or no, how many success are there, failure are there, but in case when an event is occurred rarely, that means success rate is very small, then we use Poisson distribution. Then that type of distribution is given by Poisson distribution. That means our targeted event, that is, we can say our success rate is very small. If in this distribution, that is, this is binomial distribution, okay, in this distribution we know P is probability of success in a trial. there are set of n trials, then we can fit a data to binomial distribution. Okay, in binomial distribution, P is the probability of success. Now, if we take probability of success tending to 0, that is success rate is very small. Just for example, number of accident in a particular time in a city, number of failures in exam, number of suicides in a city in a particular duration, etc. Number of deaths in a city. Okay, this type of events occur rarely. That is, if our target is finding a number of deaths in a city in a particular duration, that is probability of occurring of this event, that is probability of success for the question will be very, very small, because this type of events occur rarely. So in such type of events, such type of case, we use Poisson distribution. Clear? So Poisson distribution can be found, for formula for Poisson distribution can be found from binomial distribution. If we take limit here, P, number of success, is very simple. When number of trials, n trials, n trials, n trials, n trials, there are set of trials. So here, if we take number of trials and finitely, that is limit n tending to infinity, as limit n tending to infinity, or counting is very large, or success is very simple. So as n tending to infinity, P tending to 0. Very clear, if P tending to 0, then Q tending to 1. Okay? Q tending to 1. From this. So if we apply this limit on this binomial distribution, then we can get a formula, a different formula for getting R success. Just in this distribution, you have to apply limit n tending to infinity, P tending to 0, Q tending to 1. Then you can get a different formula, Px equals to R. Here, first of all, we take NP equals to n. We know this is NP, mean of binomial distribution. What? Mean of binomial distribution is NP. So just here put this NP equals to m. Suppose, say this is mean value, fixed value, so n. So here let NP equals to m. So this limiting condition, we have to apply this condition to binomial distribution. Then we can get a different type of formula, and that is known as probability of R success for Poisson distribution. That is, Poisson distribution can be found by using limiting condition, in binomial distribution as n tending to infinity, p tending to 0, q tending to 1, and taking np equals to m. Clear? This is limiting condition to, means what? Limiting condition in binomial distribution as n tending to infinity, p tending to 0, q tending to 1, and taking np equals to m. And so in this case we see that probability of our success is given by which formula? Given by Px equals to R. This is also important, this derivation, because maybe question asked as find Poisson distribution from binomial distribution, or prove that the limiting case of binomial distribution is Poisson distribution, or Poisson distribution is a particular case of binomial distribution. Okay, so here Px equals to R, probability of success NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power n minus R. This is the binomial distribution from binomial distribution. Okay, now we know that NCR means what? Can be written like this: n minus 1, n minus 2 up to n minus r minus 1 upon r factorial. This is NCR, p to the power r, q to the power n minus r. Clear? Now we can write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to r minus 1. R minus 1 and 1 is this. That is r values as a multiplied. P to the power r means p r times. So first p with n, np. Clear? Second p with n multiplied to this, np minus p. np minus p. Third p, np minus 2p, and so on. Here 1p multiplied to this, np minus r minus 1 into p. After multiplication by rp to this r factor, we get like this. So p to the power r is adjusted here. Now upon, we can write r factorial. This is factorial r. Okay, factorial r. You know factorial? Factorial r. We have to divide this or L shape. Okay, this and q. Q means 1 minus p to the power n minus r, since u equals to 1 minus p from binomial distribution. Okay, this. Now put np equals to m here, m minus p here, m minus 2p here, m minus r minus 1 into p. Okay, just we put np as n. Take np equals to m. Clear? Upon factorial r, this is 1 minus p power n upon 1 minus p power r. You can write like this: 1 minus p to the power n, and 1 minus p to the power minus r, go to the denominator, 1 minus p to the power r. Clear? Now this is equals to, here np equals to m, that is p equals to, now just taking limit. Okay, after this line we can write how. Just we can write this is equals to, here m into m into m r times one, two, three up to r times n upon r factorial, as n tending to infinity, p tending to 0. As n tending to infinity, taking limit, taking limit as n tending to infinity, p tending to 0, 0, 0, 0. So m up to how many times? R times, and r factorial. Now here 1 minus p equals to m by n. So limit p equals to, limit n tending to infinity, 1 minus and p equals to m. So p equals to m by n. M by n power n. This here p equals to this or n tending to infinity, and also n tending to infinity, but p tending to 0, here only r, so 1 to the power r 1 upon 1. Here 1, p tending to 0, 1 to the power r. So we can also write like this: limit n tending to infinity, 1 minus p to the power r, p tending to 0, that is 1, power r 1. So this is equals to, we can write m to the power r upon r factorial, and here limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 upon minus n by m power minus n by m minus m. We can write just write very clearly here. Okay, and this is equals to 1. Okay, so just like this, write this like m to the power r upon r factorial limit n tending to infinity. Okay, so here n tending to infinity 1 minus, we can write like this, 1 upon minus m by n, n by m, sorry, n by m, n by m, m go to here, so 1 minus m by n, 1 minus m by n, and power of this minus n by m, total power is minus m. Just see, this power into this, minus m cancel, only power n, and this can be written like this. Okay, so what? 1 plus 1 by x to the power x to the tending to infinity. Limit, we know limit, since limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by x to the power x equals to the power 1 sorry. One plus 1 by x to the power x is equals to e. Okay, so 1 n tending to infinity, this is 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 tending to infinity, so n tending to infinity. Okay, clear? Or we can write n tending to infinity, n tending to infinity, this tending to infinity, that is, this is equals to e to the power minus m. So we can write e to the power minus m. So e to the power minus m into m to the power r upon r factorial, we get like this. Okay, so this is our formula. We can write how here is given by e to the power minus m, m to the power r upon r factorial. Clear? This, where r equals to what? R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Clear? Because n tending to infinity, so r equals to what? How many successes are there? Maybe infinitely, but 0 success may be also. Okay, so this is the probability function for Poisson distribution. Okay, so this is Poisson distribution formula, probability function. Just like for binomial distribution, we use NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Or for Poisson distribution, this e to the power minus M to the power R upon R factorial. Clear? So this is Poisson distribution. So how can we define a Poisson probability distribution? Poisson probability distribution, as in short we can write, if X is a binomial, X is a random variate, if X is a random variate, X is a random variate which possess binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, then X is a Poisson distribution. Here M is parameter. M is called parameter. Just like binomial distribution, parameters are what? Small n and p. Here in Poisson distribution, X is a random variate denoted if it possesses binomial Poisson distribution property, then we can say the random variate follow Poisson distribution and its probability function is given e to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial, r equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Clear? This Poisson distribution. Okay, where m equals to what? N into p. P is probability of success and p, where n and p are from binomial distribution. Okay, p is probability of success. For finding m, you have to find the n and p, where m equals to n and p, and number of trials and p probability of success. Clear? This X binomial variate follow Poisson distribution, then its probability function is given by this. Clear? For fitting binomial just as a fitting of binomial distribution, binomial probability distribution to a given data, here also we fit a given data to Poisson distribution. For that, if n, capital N, which is equals to summation of f, which is equals to summation of f for the given distribution, because the data is given like this, x equals to something and f for frequency like this something. This is a given data. This is a what? Given data. For how many sets are there? If capital N, that is summation of f, then from here we can find mean m, what? Summation fx upon summation f. By using this we can get mean m value, so m can be found. After finding this m, we can use here, so px equals to r is equals to what? E to the power minus m is fine. Suppose for example m is 2, then e to the power minus 2 m 2 to the power r upon r factorial. So we get e to the power minus 2 into this. We know the value of e is equals to 2.78 or something. So this value is fine. Now this is series for some value of r, 0, 1, 2. Then first r 0 and 1, 2 and so on. So we can solve. Okay. So m can be found by this. Now theoretical frequency will give by n into this e to the power minus m to the power r upon r. This is theoretical frequencies. This is theoretical frequencies for R success of Poisson distribution. Theoretical frequency, theoretical. This. So this is the fitting. The x is given and f is this theoretical frequency. This for r equals to 0 here, r equals to 1 here, r equals to 2 here, and so on. For the value of x. Clear? Now, so we can fit a Poisson distribution to a given data also, and we can also solve some questions. So let us take some questions for related to Poisson distribution. Okay, but first of all, we can find all the constant of this distribution, just like moment about origin. Moment about mean means mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash, and mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 for Poisson distribution also. Mu1 dash means what? Mean, and mean of the Poisson distribution, what is variance of the Poisson distribution, standard deviation of the Poisson distribution. How can we find? Very simple. Constants of Poisson distribution. Just see constant of Poisson distribution. Okay. So constants of Poisson distribution. Constants of Poisson distribution. That is, constant means what? Mu1, mu2, mu3, just like this. Okay. So here, just 2, 3 values. Just we have to derive. First of all, mu1 dash. Mu1 dash. How can we find mu1 dash? We know mu1 dash about origin. That means this is equals to sum of r minus 0 power 1, 0 about origin, and first moment about origin. First moment about origin. Dash means origin. So sum of what is the moment? Moment is this x minus a power r mu r equals to this into probability. Okay, PR. Sorry, I. This is the moment, rth moment. If this is origin, that is only power r. Okay, if first order, then power 1. So 1 power 1 minus 0 power 1, this into probability function. Okay, into probability function. So here r equals to 0 to infinite. R equals to 0 to what? Infinite. And probability function. Clear? So we can find mu1 dash. So here sum of r equals to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Okay. Because and 10 into infinity. So we can find mu1 dash. Mu1 dash means first moment about origin. This r into PR means for Poisson distribution. This is PR. This is PR. Okay. Now here just e to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial. M is parameter of the Poisson distribution. Okay. Poisson distribution means P now we know by using factorial notation here r equals to 0 to infinity and n to infinity, that's why up to n infinity. Here r factorial means r into r minus 1 factorial, so r can see. So it is your minus m to the power r upon r minus 1 factorial. So it can be written like this, sum over r, so it is your minus m outside. Here we can write r equals to 1 to infinity m to the power r minus 1. So 1n can be taken outside upon r minus 1 factorial. We can write m to the power r minus 1 plus 1, 1m is outside this, and this is equals to m e to the power minus m, and this is equals to what? First value r equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, m plus m. First value r equal to 1, 0, no 1, 1. First value 1. Second value m upon 1 factorial. Third value m square upon 2 factorial. M cube upon 3 factorial. This power 0 upon 0 factorial, 1 upon 1 factorial, 2 upon 2 factorial, 3 upon 3 factorial, and so on. What is this? 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, e to the power m into e to the power minus m into e to the power m. This is e to the power m formula, e to the power x formula. We know e to the power x equal to what? E to the power x equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus and so on, x cube by 3 factorial and so on. So using this is equals to m. So mu1 dash equals to m. Okay, what is this? Mean. We know mu1 dash mean. So first moment about origin m. Similarly, you can find second moment, third moment, fourth moment about origin. Very simple. What we here will be 2 for the second moment. Mu2 dash 2. Here square. Just write r square as r square. In place of r square, you just write like this: r minus 1 plus r. Just break this r square like this, and to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial. Multiply and break in 2 summation and proceed. You can get very simple value m plus m square. This is mu2 dash. Okay. Similarly, you can find mu3 dash. Here will be r cube, mu3, mu r cube. R cube can be written what? R square r minus 1 plus r. Then you can break in 2 parts. Clear? And for a square, you can get mu2 dash and proceed. So, just note down what will be the value. Very simple process. Just doing this summation and expanding, you can get result as a first value, just like this, mu1 dash. So, mean equals to mu1 dash equals to m, mu2 dash equals to m square plus m, mu3 dash equals to m cube plus 3m square plus m, and mu4 dash equals to m power 4 plus 6m cube plus 7m square plus m. These are the 4 moments. You can find by using that simple same process. Okay, just expanding the summation and you can get the result. Clear? For Poisson distribution. Okay, Poisson distribution. These are the values for moment about origin. 3m square plus m cube and m plus 7m square plus 6m cube plus m power. This will be the value. By using these values, this is moments about origin. Now moments about mean. We can get value like this. First value, mu1, we know by definition mu1 is always 0 because deviation from mean gives always 0. So by definition mu1 equals to 0. And mu2, we know mu2 equals to what? Moment about, second moment about mean of the Poisson distribution. What? Mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash means this, m square plus m minus mu1 dash square, m square equals to mean m. Also mu2 equals to n. Mu3 equals to what? We know mu3, just mu3 equals to mu3 dash mu2 dash mu1 dash minus 3 plus just 2, sir, I think. Okay, what? Yeah, mu1 dash mu2 dash mu3 dash minus 2, mu1 dash cube 2 like this, mu1 dash square mu2 dash mu1 dash. Okay, just by using binomial distribution here, mu1 dash cube mu1 dash and mu2 dash square 4 square 1 2. Clear? We know formula, moment about mean of third order, mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. By using this here, mu3 dash, this what? m cube plus 3 m square plus m, this is mu3 dash, minus 3 mu2 dash, this minus 3 mu2 dash means m square plus m into m mu1 dash m, this plus 2 mu1 dash cube m cube. By solving this we get what? Mu cube plus 3 m cube plus 3 m square plus m minus 3 m square, no, m cube plus m square, so minus 3 m cube minus 3 m square plus 2 m cube. So here we see that 2m cube, m cube, 3m cube minus 3m cube, m cube cancel, 3m square minus 3m square, m square must cancel only m. Yes, mu3 is equals to also m. So mu1 0, mu2 m, mu3 m. Similarly, you can find mu4. Okay, just by using this type of technique, you can find mu4. Here very simple. What? Mu1 equals to always 0, mu2 equals to m, mu3 equals to m, and mu4 equals to, you can find mu4 dash minus 6 and minus 4 6 minus 3. minus 4 plus 6 minus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. So here mu 4 dash, mu 3 dash, I think mu 3 dash, and mu 2 dash. Here mu 2 dash and mu 1 dash and mu 1 dash square mu 1 dash. This is the formula. Just remember it. Okay, mu 4 equals to this. Just use this 4 value. You can get 3ms square plus m. Mu 4 equals to. Okay, so these are the values. 3ms square plus m. Clear? So these are the. By using this formula, just now put the value all mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4 dash here. You can get this. So this is our moments about mu 4 equals to 3ms square plus m. So these are the moments about origin, first 4 moments about mean, first 4 moment. Mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4. Okay. M is what? Parameter of the Poisson distribution. Okay. So for finding mean what? Mean. Mu 1 dash mean. The standard deviation. Variance. What is the variance? We know variance of x for Poisson distribution. What? Mu 2. And mu 2 equals to what? M. That means variance and mean same. Variance and mean same for Poisson distribution. Clear? And also here, standard deviation. Standard deviation. We know standard deviation sigma equals to what? Root of variance x. Root of variance x. So root over variance is what? M. The standard deviation sigma equals to root over variance x, root over mu 2, root over m means the standard deviation to the power half. Sorry, mean power. Okay, standard deviation equal to this. Clear? That is mean to the power half. That is what? We can say this is equals to this, means what? Mean equals to standard deviation square. Mean equals to SD 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 square. Clear? So here mean power half equals to this. Squaring it to mean equals to SD square. That is what? Mean is equals to sigma square. And sigma square equals to what? Variance x. Okay? Variance equals to mean equals to variance. These are the constants for Poisson distribution. So remember it. Very, very important for solving questions. Also, maybe asked questions as find all the constants of or mean, standard deviation, variance or Poisson distribution. Okay. Now we just solve some questions. Take So take questions. If the probability of a bad reaction, from a certain rejection is 0.001. Bad rejection, because this is very rare case. Means probability of success is very probability of occurring bad reaction is very small. Therefore, this type of situation can be handled by Poisson distribution. Okay, so 0.001 probability of bad reaction. Determine the chance that out of 2000 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. More than 2 will get a bad reaction. Means out of 2000, more than 2 chance. That is, we have to find the probability. We have to find the probability more than 2 gets a bad reaction from the injection. Okay, so here just first consider the situation. If our probability of occurring that event is very small, then just use Poisson distribution. So here, since solution, since the probability of getting bad reaction, probability of getting or occurrence here, since the probability of getting bad reaction, probability of getting bad reaction is very small, that is, this type of event, that is the occurrence of this type of event, okay, event may occur very rarely. This type of event may occur very rarely. So, it follows the Poisson distribution. First of all, we have to decide whether binomial distribution is used or Poisson distribution is used. Poisson distribution. Now, we have to find the probability of getting, probability of that more than 2 will get a bad reaction. More than 2 will get a bad reaction. Means more than 2 means number of success may be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So, more than 2 is equals to 1 minus probability of getting 0, 1 and 2 success. Okay. So, for that we have to find first parameter for the Poisson distribution. Parameter is what? MP. M, that is mean. Mean is the parameter. Okay. Here probability of success is what? 0.001. Probability of success is 0.001. 0.001 and n equals to 2000. Therefore, mean, we know, M and P 2000 into 001 equals to what? 2. Clear? So, the required probability that more than 2 will get a bad reaction is equals to what? 1 minus probability of getting non 1 and 2 bad reaction. This is equals to 1 minus probability of get zero bad reaction plus probability of 1 bad reaction plus probability of 2 bad reaction. That is 1 minus probability x equals to 0, probability x equals to 1, probability x equals to 2. That is 1 minus Poisson distribution. We know what? X equals to r e to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial, where r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where r equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Clear? So here x equal to 0 means what? E to the power minus 2, m equal to 2, m equal to 2, e to the power minus 2, m to the power 0 upon 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 2, 2 to the power 1 upon 1 factorial plus e to the power minus 2, 2 to the power 2 upon 2 factorial. This. So this is equals to 1 minus, just we can solve it, e to the power minus 2, e to the power minus 2, e to the power minus 2 common, and we can solve minus 2 common, here 1 plus here 2 plus here 2 factorial, 2 square by 2, 2 into 2 by 2 means 2. This equals to 1 minus 5 upon E square. 1 minus 5 upon E square. So we know that E equals to what? E equals to 2.718. This is equals to 1 minus 5 upon 2.718 square. You can see just 32. Okay, this is the question. 5 by E square, 5 by E square, that is 0.32, 0.32 into the power 2.718. Clear? Yes. You can use calculator for this. So, record probability is equals to 0.32. More than 2 means 1 minus for 0, 1 and 2. More than 2, greater than 2. So, 2 is other side. So, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. For 0, 1, 2, just use the probability function formula. For Poisson distribution, just you can get like this. So, this is the answer of this question. Okay. Clear? So, take another question also. Clear? Now, take another question, that is find the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will be found at most. Here at most means R is less than equal to 5 at most. Fuses will be found in a box of 200 fuses. We have a box having 200 fuses. From this, probability at most 5 defective fuses are there. Defective fuses at most, because generally if there are some product, then defective quantity is very small. So here we can use Poisson distribution. Okay, and if experiences shows that 2% of such fuses are defective, means this is the 2% are defective. That is, this is the probability of defective. Fuses are defective. Probability of having defective of a fuse is what? 2%. That is P equals to 2%. So we can solve it by using Poisson distribution. Okay. So here, box having 200 fuses, we have to find probability that at most 5 fuses are defective in the box. That is n equals to 200, small n equals to 200, and P equals to 2% chance. So P equals to 2 by 100, 2% P, and we can get m, and then just we have to find the probability for having at most 5 defective. That is R is less than equal. So here for these questions, here we have P 2%, that is 2 by 100, that is 1 by 50. This is P. Clear? 1 by 50. And n equals to what? Also n equals to 200. Clear? N equals to 200 given. So we get mean equals to m equals to what? NP 200 into 1 by 50 equals to 4. M equals to 4. Clear? M equals to 4. Now, just probability of R success. R success is given by what? P x equals to R equals to e to the power minus m, m to the power R upon R factorial, implies Px equals to R e to the power minus 4 to the power R upon R factorial, where R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the probability function. Now, maximum number of defective items should be what? 5. That is R is less than equal to 5. So, that is the required probability. Now, since the maximum number of defective fuses is 5, therefore r is less than equal 5. So the required probability is given by P r is less than equal 5, x equal to r is less than equal 5 is equals to P 0 plus P 1 plus P 2 plus P 3 plus P 4 plus P 5. These are the values. Clear? Here P0 r equals to 0. You can write like this: x equals to r. So P0, that means what? E to the power minus 4 4 to the power 0 upon 0 factorial, e to the power minus 4 4 to the power 1 upon 1 factorial, plus e to the power minus 4 4 to the power 2 upon 2 factorial, e to the power minus 4 4 to the power 3 upon 3 factorial, e to the power minus 4 4 to the power 4 upon 4 factorial, e to the power minus 4 4 to the power 5 upon 5 factorial. These are not just now use calculator. Okay, you can get all the values from here. So just like this, e to the power minus 4 is outside. Here 1 plus 4 plus 4 square by 2 plus 4 cube by 6 plus 4 power 4 by 4 factorial, and plus 4 factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 24, 24 plus 4 to the power 5 upon 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3, 6 into 4 into 5, 120. So 120. Okay, this is the value. Just you have to solve it. Just use calculator, you can get the value like this. Point 183. Okay. 0.0183 is the value of e to the power minus 4. E to the power minus 4 means 1 over e to the power 4 e is equals to what? 2.718. E equals to 2.718. Since e to the power e equals to 2.718, e to the power minus 4 is equals to what? 1 upon e to the power 4. 1 upon e to the power means 2.718 power 4. Now this is equals to, you can get 183. Okay, here 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 4 8 1 10.667 10.6667. just use calculator. Okay, so just second value 10.66667 10.66667 10.6667 plus another value is, you can write 8.533 8.533. So this is the value. Just add and multiply, you can get value just like this. 0.0183 into this value is what? 42.8667 42.8667 42. So 0.7845. So final 0.7845. So this is our probability. Okay, just use calculator. Calculator is required for solving this question because this type of calculation you have to do. So this is the process for finding probability for a particular situation. Use just Poisson distribution in case when event is the occurrence of event is very rare, small, probability rate is small. Okay, now take next question, that is fitting of Poisson distribution. Means we have yet given data and just we will try to fit that data to a distribution, probability Poisson distribution. Okay, so here fit a Poisson distribution, just see, fit a Poisson distribution to the following data, calculate theoretical frequencies. Okay, calculate theoretical frequencies. Deaths and frequency are given. So here given data is as follows. Deaths and frequency is given. Deaths means X. Okay. Deaths and frequency is given. For this given data, we have to fit a Poisson distribution, that is theoretical frequency. We have to find theoretical frequency 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, and given 1, 2, 2, 60, 15, 2. 1, 2, 2, 60. 1, 2, 2, 60. 15 to 1. 15 to 1. So here deaths X, frequency A. We have to find theoretical frequencies according to Poisson distribution. Number of deaths, that is Poisson distribution we have to fit here. So here first of all, for fitting, just we have to find theoretical frequencies. N e to the power minus m, m to the power r upon r factorial. Okay, where x equals to r means x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For x equals to r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to find value of this. Here capital N is equals to what? Sum of this. Okay, but for this we also require m equals to what? Summation fx upon summation f. Summation fx upon summation n means what? Total of this, use this, you can get m. This can be used, this m can be used here. And r equals to for 0, 0, for 1, 1, for 2, 2, for 3, 3, for 4, 4. So we can get this. This is a theoretical frequency. This is theoretical frequency. We have to find this. So for that, first m. M means first summation n, capital N, capital N, capital N. Then this we can get n, and then find. Clear? So here, first of all, find mean. Okay, here capital N equals to sum of f equals to what? 122 plus 60 plus 15 plus 2 plus 1 equals to what? 1, 3, 3, 18, 18, 60, 80, 80, 200. I think 200. 200, okay. Summation n equals to 200. Now mean, we have to find mean. Therefore, mean equals to what? Sum of fx. Sum of fx mean equals to sum of fx and sum of f equals to sum of fx. Fx means what? This into this, this into this, this into this, and sum. So 0 into this 122 plus 1 into 60 plus 2 into 15 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 upon 200. Oh, okay, just get 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30 plus 6 plus 4, 4 6 10, 40, 60, 100 equals to 100 by 200. What? 1 by 2 equals to 0.5. 0.5. Just m equals to 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Now, our probability function will be here. Just we require e to the power minus m. Also, just calculate this value. Very important. Also, e to the power minus m equals to e to the power minus 0.5 equals to what we know. 1 plus x, 1 minus x, na? 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.5 square by 2 factorial plus minus, here minus sign here, 0.5 cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, just like this. Okay, so for this, also in the question it is given this is equals to something, but from here you can also calculate. Okay, so just calculate roughly what this type of value are given in question, or you can use calculator for finding this value. How? Just like this, e to the power minus 0.5 is equals to what? 1 upon e to the power 0.5 means 1 upon e means 2.718 power 0.5. So just use calculator and you can get this value, just using calculator. Okay, so this value is given approximately 0.61. 0.61 approximate value, or in other way we can get from calculator. Clear? So this is the value, 0.61 is the value of e to the power minus 0.5. Therefore, so we get Px equals to R equals to e to the power minus 0.5 to the power R upon R factorial. This is our formula. 0.5 power R upon R factorial into this is equals to what? 0.61 into 0.5 to the power R upon R factorial. And theoretical frequencies are given by n into e to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial. So this is equals to n means capital N 200 into 0.61 61 into 0.5 to the power r upon r factorial, where r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our theoretical frequencies. These are theoretical frequencies, and just by putting just you can write, therefore the theoretical frequencies are thus the fitting of Poisson distribution to the given data is given by following theoretical frequencies. X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and frequencies. Just use r equals to 0 here, this into this, r equals to 0. Clear? So 1 to 2, 1 to 2. First value r equals to 0, then r equals to 1. Take here. Okay, we can get value 1 to 2, 61, 15, 61, 15, sorry 50, yeah. 15 to 0. Okay, 15 to and 15 2 and 0. So this is the value. For r equals to 1, 0.5 means 5 by 10. Okay, so here 1 to 2 into 10, 12.2, 5, 61. R equals to 2, here just 2. R equals to 3, then 2. For r equals to 4, you can get like this. So this is the fitting. This is the given data 1 to 2, 60, 61, 50, 50, 2, 2, 1 plus 1, 0. This is the theoretical frequency. This is actual frequency. Just like same. So by using Poisson distribution, we can distribution formula, we can fit a given data to Poisson distribution. Okay, this is the fitting of Poisson distribution. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Now there are some questions for your attendance. Clear? There are some questions for your attendance. Just you have to solve this 3-4 questions just using the formula e to the power minus m to the power r upon r factorial, p x equals to r, like this, and m can be found np. So get the value m and p from questions. N is number of trials, p is probability of success. You can get m e to the power minus m, you can get the value equal to 2.718, and m to the power r upon r. So how many r are required? 0, 1, 2, 3 or whatever may be the case. Just use for this question and solve these 3-4 questions, also fitting a distribution, Poisson distribution. Okay, so these are the questions for your attendance. So solve these questions by taking idea from this lecture. Just see the lecture very carefully and also solve these questions. Try to solve and send me 3 to 4 questions. Okay, for your attendance. Okay, so just use this for Poisson distribution. These questions are from Poisson distribution, not for binomial distribution. You know also binomial distribution formula LCR P to the R Q to the N minus R equal to 1 minus P. So here N and P are same thing like this. So here M is the mean for Poisson distribution. So use this formula for solving this. Okay, and for getting theoretical frequency fitting for distribution, just this is multiplied by what? Capital N. Capital N is what? In given data, there are frequencies given also. Sum of that is equals to N. Okay, so M to the power R upon R. And in this case, M can be found by summation Fx upon summation F. Summation F means what? N. Summation F means N. Okay, so use this formula and solve these questions. Send me, okay?